What if I tell you that there is a WhatsApp number that has all your important documents? You freaked out, right? Even I did when I came across this number. Well, this is not an ordinary WhatsApp number. It's a government help desk number which provides you with all your important documents on WhatsApp itself. But the question here is, how does it work? Let me explain. So there is a government help desk WhatsApp number that is 90131515115. Don't worry, I'll put this number in the description box below so you can copy it from there. Now all you have to do is open your WhatsApp chat window and ping them with a hi. You will be greeted with a message giving you two options: Covid services and DigiLocker services. Also, you can opt for a language change, English or Hindi. So here I want to go with the Covid services. All I have done is selected the Covid services. Now I am greeted with 8 options. So there is a prompt message giving me 8 options like COVID symptoms, latest news on COVID, and then vaccination certificate. I want to download my vaccination certificate. So I'm entering number 2 because that is the option number given here. So once I have entered 2, I again get a prompt message with 5 different options. The first one is book an COVID appointment. The second one is vaccination certificate. So you know what I have to enter? I entered 2, and now I am greeted with another message saying that you want to continue with your current WhatsApp number or there is a different number registered on your COVID website. So I am going with the second option, and now I have to enter the OTP given. As soon as I enter the OTP given, there you go. Here is my COVID certificate and I have downloaded it easily. So if you want to go with the DigiLocker services, you have to choose the DigiLocker services option, and then you will be greeted with a message asking you whether you have a DigiLocker account or not. So in case if you have a DigiLocker account, then reply with yes, and if not, then you have to reply with no. So in case if you don't have a DigiLocker account, you have to install the DigiLocker app and then create an account. If you go with the yes option, then you have to enter your Aadhaar card number, and along with that there will be an OTP generated. So enter that OTP. Once you have entered the OTP, you can ask for the required document from the service number. Okay, here you have to remember one thing, that it will only provide with you those documents that are uploaded on the DigiLocker app. So you see, that is why I call this the most useful WhatsApp number. What are you waiting for? Just copy this number and try it out yourself and write your views in the comments below. I'll meet you next time. Till then, bye-bye.